Morning students, myself Dr. Vishwa CC, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, JSS Arts, Science and Commerce Degree College, Gokak. Today we will discuss one of the important topic, that is electrogravimetry. This topic for BSc 6th paper 2 in organic chemistry. First we will see the meaning of electrogravimetry. Gravimetry means measurement of weight. Electro means electrolysis, that is the passage of an electric current through an electrolyte by the migration of positive charged ion towards negative electrode, negative charged ion towards positive electrode, that is called as electrolysis. Then what is the definition of electrogravimetry? The element to be estimated is deposited electrolytically upon a suitable electrode, and the amount of products determined by the weighing the dry electrode before and after exhaustive analysis is called electrogravimetry. Next we will come to the theory and principles of electrogravimetry. On the basis of electrogravimetry, there is two principles. One is G.S. Ohm's law and another one is Faraday's law of electrolysis. G.S. Ohm's law states that the relation between three fundamental quantities, that is the current I, is directly proportional to the electromotive force, that is E, and inversely proportional to the resistance, that is R, of the conducting medium. I is equal to E divided by R. This is G.S. Ohm's law. Next principle is Faraday's first law. Faraday's first law states that the amount of substance liberated deposited at the electrode of a cell is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity which passes through the solution. That is, W is directly proportional to Ct. Remove the proportionality, put Z as a proportionality constant. Then the equation becomes W is equal to ZCt. W means weight of the substance liberated, deposited. C means current in amperes. T means time in second. Z means proportionality constant, called electrochemical equivalent. Next one is Faraday's second law. The amount of different substance liberated, deposited by the same quantity of electricity are proportional to their relative atomic or molar masses divided by the number of electrons involved in the respective electrode process. Weight of the copper divided by weight of silver equals equivalent weight of copper divided by equivalent weight of silver equals 31.78 divided by 107.87. This is the two principles of electrogravimetry. Next we will come to the instrumentation of electrogravimetry. For the instrumentation of electrogravimetry, there is an essential requirements required. First one is a source of direct current, a variable resistance and a meter. Fourth one is a voltmeter of 6 to 12 volts. Fifth one is a pair of platinum electrodes. Next we will come to the procedure. Take about 0.2 to 0.3 gram of copper in electrolysis vessel, that is beaker. Add 2 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid and 1 ml of concentrated nitric acid. Clean, dry and weigh the platinum gauze electrode. Then assemble the operators as shown in the figure. Next, the electrodes should be clamped. There are about 80 to 90% the electrodes should be dipped in the solution. A potential difference of 6 to 12 volts is applied to the cell and the current is around 4 ampere. Next one is continue the electrolysis until the blue color of the solution has entirely disappeared. Reduce the current to 0.5 to 1 ampere and test for completeness of deposition by raising the level of the liquid by about 0.5 centimeter. by the addition of distilled water and continuing the electrolysis for 10 to 15 minutes. If no copper plates out on the fresh surface of the cathode, electrolysis may be regarded as a complete. Next, rise the electrode. At the same time, wash the upper edges of the cathode by the distilled water without breaking the circuit connection. Next, when the cathode has been thoroughly washed with distilled water, break the circuit dipped in the distilled water. Then rinse with analytical grade acetone, dry at 100 to 110 degree for 3 to 4 minutes, and it is cool, and afterwards it is weighed. The reaction at cathode is reduction of cupric ion at cathode, at anode oxidation of hydroxide ions. Next one is calculation. Weight of the platinum gauze electrode before electrolysis, that is W1 gram. Weight of the platinum gauze cathode after electrolysis, W2 gram. The difference between W2 minus W1, it gives the weight of the copper, how much amount of copper deposited on the platinum gauze cathode. Thank you.